Hello Year 2 and welcome to today's maths lesson where we will be looking at blocking diagrams. So this is using what we've already learnt about pictograms and now putting it into diagrams. But to start off with, let's have a look at these number lines. So number 1, what does the number line with orange blocks show? So how many orange blocks are there? Where does it reach up to on the number line? There are 4 orange blocks. What is the same about the two number lines? There's some similarities. What are those similarities? Both go up in ones, or the fancy word for that is ascend. That means it counts up in ones. And both of them show 4 cubes on. But number 3, what is different about the two number lines? The colour of the cubes. They've got orange cubes on one and green cubes on the other. And one is vertical, that's the one going up, and one is horizontal, that's the one going across. So we've got a pictogram here, and in our key, a picture of 1 cube equals 1 cube. So in green, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 cubes. So let's make a tower using real cubes. So we're going to take the cubes from the pictogram and build them on top of each other to make the towers. So there's our green and our yellow and our red. So just like in the pictogram, notice how the yellow cubes come out further. The yellow cubes also come out taller as well when we stack them up. So we're now going to put them into a diagram. So a diagram needs a number line. So it's going up in ones, ascending in ones, and then we've got green, yellow and red. Now that is where we are going to put the amount of that colour cube. So for example, green, we've already counted these up. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8. So when we do it on the number line, we need to make sure it comes up to the number 8. So let's have a look. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Now let's do the yellow. We know it's going to be more than 8 because it's taller in the tower. So we've got 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. And how many reds? We've just got the 1 red. So we put 1 in our diagram. So you can have a go now at questions 1 and 2 if you'd like to. If not, stay and we will finish off the video and then you can have a go. So we've got the balloons again. And our pictogram shows us Rosie and Teddy's balloons all together, all their red ones and all of their green ones. So our key shows us that one picture of a balloon actually shows us 10 balloons. So we're going to put them into a diagram. And we've got a pictogram to show Rosie and Teddy's balloons all together, all their red ones and all their green ones. So have a look at the red. Notice that there's half of a balloon. And if a full balloon is 10, what's half a balloon going to be? It's going to be 5. So 10 add 5 gives us 15. And for green, they've got 2 balloons. That's 10 add 10, which is 20. So we're going to put this information now onto the diagram. So notice we've got a red column and a green column. And look at our numbers ascending. So what is counting up in? It's counting up in 5s. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20. So let's have a look. It's going to put up 2 for each. So at the moment we've got 10 in both red and green. But we've worked out that actually red has 15. So how many more blocks do I need to colour in, do you think, in order to get up to 15? I need to colour in 1 more block for red. And for green, we've already got 10 coloured in. So what do I need to do to get up to 20? I need to colour in another 2 blocks. There we go. So this shows us our red balloons and our green balloons, but instead of our pictogram over here, we've now got a diagram. So you can have a go now at all the questions on your worksheet or finish it off. But today we've been looking at changing our pictograms into our diagrams. So hopefully that made sense. If not, make sure you come on one of our catch-up calls and maybe we can explain it a bit further. Good luck with all your questions.